Perfect replacement. Reverse engineered to look, fit and function exactly like the original door mirror on your vehicle's specific year, make and model. Complete assembly. Includes same mirror glass, housing, bracket and technology as the original part that came on the vehicle. Cost-effective and reliable. Functions similarly to the original part but is much less expensive than getting a replacement from the dealership or original manufacturer. Easy installation. No special tools or equipment is necessary for installing this new part. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly like OEM. My father broke his mirror and I ordered him this exact Dorman model, and when it arrived I was surprised that it looked exactly like the original side mirror. Amazing quality, and when I was done installing, you couldn't tell the mirrors apart. Happy customer, don't think twice and get this product.